Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to update your inventory in bulk on Walmart. Having to update your inventory in bulk is an advantageous feature for sellers who have a large number of listings. With Walmart Seller Center, you can use the Inventory Spec Template to update all of your listing inventory. Unlike other bulk update processes, Walmart Seller Center uses an XLS format and you wouldn't need to save it to another type of file. Once the file is submitted, it may take a couple of minutes for it to reflect on walmart.com, depending on the number of SKUs that needs to be updated. Just in case if you receive the error "data limit exceeded," a common cause is having an SKU that's over the character limit. SKUs must be 50 characters or less. If your SKU is too long, you can replace it with a shorter SKU. Now, let's walk you through how to do it on Walmart Seller Center. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Access your Walmart store at seller.walmart.com. Just enter your email address and password, then click Login. Once you're in, click the Bulk Inventory Update section on the left side under Items and Inventory. We need to download the inventory spec. To do that, click the Inventory Spec Template button. It should automatically download the file. If you're using Google Chrome, you can just click the downloaded item at the bottom left to open the file. The Excel file might be in a protected view. Click the Enable Editing so you can edit the file. Fill in the SKUs in the first column and the quantity in the second column. Make sure that your SKU doesn't exceed 50 characters and do not edit rows 1 and 2. You can fill as many rows as you like. Once you're done, save your file and close it. Go back to the Walmart Bulk Inventory Update page and upload your file. You can either drag your file or you can click the Upload Spec button and choose the file. Please make sure to keep your file at 25 MB maximum. You can upload multiple Excel files as long as it won't exceed 25 MB. Just click the Submit button once the file is ready. The uploading process will automatically start and you can view them on the feed status. It may take a couple of minutes for it to reflect on walmart.com depending on the number of items. So that's how you update your inventory in bulk on Walmart. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!